Hey everyone, it's me, Eric Anderson. Um, just to let you know, my name's spelled with Erikandderson. The date is February 16th, 2021. Time is 8:18 a.m. Um, Today, with my newest video, I want to talk about how to make your house more efficient, electricity wise. Um, and one of those things is by doing the outside, believe it or not. I believe, because I can actually prove that my bills are really low. It's like I said, it's February, and I just got the bill, so it would actually be, I believe, January bill, and it was less than $32. So, and this is the part of the reason why. Before I painted the house, uh, essentially I caulked all the seams everywhere pretty much, and just to show you, this is what it looks like. So in other words, just everywhere I can see a seam, I caulked with just like regular Alex Plus, not the rubbery type stuff, but the chalky type. Um, but like I said, my bill this month was less than $32, so that says something. And just a little tip. I also pretty much have all LED lighting. The max that I need, but the minimum that I need in order to see well, because I don't like to be a big power consumer. Also, you want to look for essentially parasitic electrical suckers, which is anything that has a light on it or stays on all the time. I put those on like surge protectors or whatever, and then I shut the surge protectors off, like a VCR or DVD player or something like that, because I don't really care about the time being the perfect time on the DVD player and all that. The TVs. Oh, that's another thing with TVs. I used to have a pretty energy consumptive television that was pretty big, and it used to actually put off heat. So that's, and in the summertime in Arizona, that's more money you got to shell out in order to cool your house down. Believe it or not, it all matters. But yeah, just to show you, the paint looks a little rough now because it's been about 8 years or so since I did it. And but next time I go to paint, it's going to be really easy, because I've done all the prep work, so to speak. It did take a lot of time to do all the caulking all around the house. It wore my fingers down, but there are other ways you can deal with that. They sell like a polyurethane, like little corner things that you can, little squares or triangles and stuff like that. It takes it easy on your fingers and stuff. So I just did mine the hard way, and it took a lot of time, energy, effort, and caulking, and a lot of like old worn out clothes and stuff that I used to wipe the stuff on. But anyways, yeah, it's pretty energy efficient, and it looks pretty good. I mean, can't complain. This is by my front door, obviously, and I'll kind of take you back and show you the rest of how the house looks. It turned out pretty good, And just to let you guys know, I made this window covering and that makes it pretty efficient too, because it's super dark screen, and it's kind of hard to see out, but people can't see in, and you can leave your blinds open if you want, or close them, and for more efficiency. And I did that because you know, I had some shady neighbors or whatever, and also I put new blinds in, and the blinds were actually curling up from the heat of the sun on the inside of the house. So yeah, you can. I just designed it and decided to do it one day, and it kind of goes with the house. I like it. Just stand back and take a look again. Kind of goes with the theme a little bit, but relatively simple, you know. And that'll be probably about the end of my video. But yeah, I just went through the whole house, disconnected anything that is an electrical parasite, essentially. Needs power all the time or blinks for no reason, like, you know, like a coffee maker and stuff like that. I unplug that stuff all the time. You know, stuff like that. And like I said, my bill was $32, so I can't argue with that. Less than $32. It was like $31.70, so not bad. It actually does work, and that's how I save money. One of the ways how I save money, and I don't have to suffer or anything like that. It's relatively straightforward. I use everything how I want to, pretty much, and I'm just cognizant on what I turn on and make sure to turn it off. But you know, you can save this kind of money too. And also water, I do the same exact thing. But you know, I have to say this in all my videos, that if you will, please leave a like, hit the like button, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment, good or bad, indifferent, doesn't matter to me. I like your input. I want to hear what ideas or whatever. If you want to see something, I'll try and put it in a video. And also, I have an account through Patreon, so if you will, donate to it if you don't mind. And, I'm gonna make a whole bunch more content coming up, all kinds of different stuff. So you'll sure to find something that you like. Again, my name is Eric Anderson, ErikAnderson, and check out the rest of my videos. You may like them, you may not. All right, take it easy.